So you don't have a gym membership or don't want to pay for a gym membership, but you still want to work out and get in shape. I got you. Let's go. So the first thing you have to do is go to any local park or like a soccer field and find you a set of bleachers. If your local park or your soccer field doesn't have bleachers, go find one that does have bleachers. Now, if you still can't find some bleachers, find something that looks like this. The point I'm trying to make is find something that you can sit on. So whether you know it or not, there is 10 plus exercises you can do with bleachers or a bench or somewhere you can sit. You have incline push-ups, decline push-ups that you can do to build your chest and your overall upper body strength. You can also do neutral grip push-ups, which is basically grabbing the edges of the bench and just doing a push-up. Simple. You can do dips to build up those triceps, which is one of the biggest muscle groups in your arm. So if you want those bigger arms, then dip, baby, dip. And hey, don't you skip leg day. Don't you do it. Don't do it. You can do seated squats, seated pistol squats, and you can also do the explosive variations of these, which is basically just jumping up whenever you perform these movements. Basically work every muscle in your leg. I mean, your calves, just do some calf raises. That's another complicated muscle group. You also got those people out there that's skipping cardio. Don't do that either. It's good for your heart. Now for cardio, to get your heart rate up, you can do toe taps. You got box jumps, which I guess in this case is probably bleacher jumps, I guess you can call them. You got alternating box and or bleacher jumps. To activate those abs, step up and lift up that knee. Also, an honorable mention for the abs is lying leg lifts. You can do these on the ground, but hey, since we're doing this video on bleachers, do it on the bleachers. So with those workouts, you have basically a full body workout with bleachers. Now, I'm not saying to skip the gym or don't get a gym membership, but you can save you some money, save you some time. Just go to your park. Hey, find you some bleachers and get it in. Hey, I appreciate y'all for watching. I hope this helped you out. And subscribe for more. I got a lot more content coming out that helps you find inanimate objects or objects around the park that helps you get in shape without the use of a gym. All right, I'll catch y'all on the next one.